Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook app not working and keeps crashing on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open the Facebook app and close for 2 times. So after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag this slider to the right. So then after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then the next solution is update your iPhone to the iOS latest version. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS, so first of all update your iPhone to the latest version. So after this, go back, and the next solution is update your Facebook app. So for this, open App Store. So go to the search section and search Facebook. So wait for the searching. So guys, here you can see the update, Facebook update is available. So simply tap on update your Facebook. So after updating your Facebook, go back, and the next solution is reset your iPhone. So for this, open settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.